Hi friends, it's Brette. Happy Eclipse Monday. Our Prayerful Monday this week is we're praying for jobs, our jobs. Are you happy in your job? Do you need a job? Are you unhappy in your job? You know, we all have to work. Maybe not all of us have to work, but we all have to have resources in our life to have a happy life and live comfortably. So this week I would like for us to tune in to what is our job? Do we like our job? Are we serving in our job? And to hold ourselves in our prayers. So take a moment and just tune into your beautiful heart. Take a deep breath and feel into your job. And say a prayer for yourself. Simple prayer. Thank you for my job. If you need a job, pray for finding a job. And keep this prayer in your heart this week. And pray it when you need to, a simple prayer. God, bless me in my job this week. Bless me in serving and helping others and really taking the time to focus on my prayerful life this week with jobs. So today is the eclipse as well. So I'm just going to say a special prayer for this eclipse. May we all just tune in and be blessed during this very monumental moment on the planet. Take deep breaths. And I'm going to offer that we pray for ourselves and we release what no longer serves us, and that we bring in and call in what we need, new intentions, a new way, whatever it is in our lives. It could be around jobs, since jobs is our focus this week. It could be around family, relationships, addictions, grief, whatever it is that we have going on. And take this eclipse and just really hold that intention, especially in that window of an hour. And so much good can come out of this if we just hold ourselves and our beautiful hearts and our souls. So I'm just sharing blessings over you, prayers over you. Tune into your jobs this week. If you need prayer, comment below. I love praying like crazy for you. And I will go live on Thursday with prayers. So God bless you. Loving you. I am back in Massachusetts now, so I will be coming live from Massachusetts. And it's a breezy, beautiful day here. Look at that view. Take a deep breath. Okay, blessing you. Bye-bye.